Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy NickTops23 and welcome to Madden NFL Mobile 16 pack opening. Let's open the first pack and let's see, can we get something big in these packs? We get the gold in the first pack. Let's update the team and let's get into the second pack of the pack opening. Reveal all, we get another gold. And yeah, this is a massive pack opening. We will reveal another one, we get another gold. No elites so far. What did I do? Sorry guys. Get into the store and 7.5k pack. Let's get into it. And it is Brandon LaFell from the New England Patriots. The next pack. We get another gold. And I don't know what pack is this, but we didn't get any elites at all. We will open 3 more, I think. 3 more packs. We get another gold. 2 golds in that pack. That's not getting our money back. We get the gold right there. And the last pack for today. Let's see, can we get someone? We get the gold. Not bad. Okay, let's open some more packs. Why not? Let's see, can we get an elite? We get a card. I didn't see what card it was. But another pack. Another gold. Let's see, we will go right here. We get the gold player again. 3 packs left. Nothing good really. We get the gold again. No elites. 2 packs left. And another gold. And the last pack for today, guys. Let's see, who can we get in this pack? Maybe an elite? No, 84 Matt Ryan, not bad. And that will be it for today's pack opening, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe if you didn't already. And now let's see some items that we got today. Not bad at all. We get some good players. They will sell for some coins. And yeah guys, that will be it for today's pack opening episode. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe if you didn't already, and see you guys in the next episode. Peace.